Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to link a bank account to Personal Capital. If you don't have a Personal Capital account, we will put a link in the description below for you to sign up. But if you already have an account, just open the website, then click Sign In. Now, enter your email. Then click on Continue. Next, enter your password, then click on Sign In. Once you're signed in, you will see an option that says Link Bank Accounts at the right side of this page. Click on Link Bank Accounts. A pop-up window will appear. Now, use the search bar and search for the bank you wish to link. Or you could just select from the financial institutions below. Once done selecting, review the following details and statements about sharing your data. After reviewing, click on Continue. Now, enter your bank credentials. Then click on Submit. To verify your identity, an authorization code will be sent to your phone number. Select how you wish to receive it, either via text message or phone call. Once you receive the code, enter it. Then click on Submit. Lastly, read the terms and conditions. After that, click on Share My Data. That's how you link a bank account to Personal Capital. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.